Hi, it's Joe with My Things to Do with my girlfriend Tiffany from
Tiffany Outdoors. Welcome everybody.
Welcome. I got Tiffany in here, and yes, we're in the kitchen, but she's going to help me with something that normally she would probably work outside with.
Yeah.
But because I'm more of an indoor person and it's cold outside, she's going to do this indoors with me. I am going to put her channel in the links below, so definitely check out Tiffany Outdoors. You'll love the things that she makes. And so today, the whole reason that my channel is called My Things to Do is because I don't have one niche.
Right. Same with me.
I like to do different things, and right now I'm really in this craze with doing glasses and tumblers. And I asked you to help me make one of those tumbler stands.
Right.
And so we went to Tiffany's favorite store, Lowe's.
Yes.
Well, not her most favorite, but it is one of the three favorite places.
Top three, easily.
And she, within just a couple of minutes, she picked up what I needed, and now we're recording.
All right, and we're back. Technical difficulties.
Right. Lost my train of thought. Oh yes. I want one of those tumbler stands or glass stands. I guess they're called tumbler stands. And like within 5 minutes of being inside of Lowe's, Tiffany's like, you need this, 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 and let's go.
Boom, boom, boom. Got it.
It's really inexpensive, along with some extra stuff that she bought. I think this whole project is coming together right around
maybe
$10.
$10-15 maybe.
Yeah. All right, so let me grab the stuff.
All right.
We got this cross. This was $3 something, right?
Yeah.
And we needed elbows.
That was like $5.
It was 5. Yeah, there's 5 of them. We only need 4. And then we got this really long PVC piping.
Yeah. And that was, I think, $3.81, right at about $4.
So originally I wanted to get a 1/2 inch cross, but they didn't have it. All I had was the 1 inch. So we're working with that. And the only tools we're going to need is this. What is this?
This right here is a PVC cutter. So we'll be using this. It's just like a ratcheting thing, and it's going to make cutting PVC easier.
Awesome. That and measuring tape.
Tape measure and a marker.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, if you don't have this, you can actually use a hacksaw just as easily to cut your ends. You don't have to have this.
Easy, right?
You don't have to have this. You can use a hacksaw.
I don't know what a hacksaw is. Okay. So, what's the first thing we're going to do?
Okay, we're going to start off with the cross piece, and this is going to sit flat, and we're just going to cut some short pieces of PVC that's going to come out of each of these 4 sides, and then we're going to use the elbow, and then have a PVC piece going up and down.
Okay.
Vertical. So.
But how long do you think the PVC pipe should come out?
It won't have to come out very far. I would say maybe we'll do it right at about 3 to 3.5 inches long. It'll come here, and then the pipe will come out here, and it'll be probably about 6 inches.
Oh,
total.
Wow. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
That sounds good.
And then the rest of the PVC that's left over, we can make the uprights for the cups to hang on.
Okay, I like that.
Okay, let's get started.
All right, so.
All right, so we'll measure right at about 3 to 3.5 inches.
So you're how far into that thing? Oh, there's
You
like
see,
a little.
There's like a small little lip.
A lip thing
in there. Yeah,
I see that.
There's a small lip. I don't know. Can you guys see that?
I think so.
Yeah, there we go. There's a small lip inside there, so I'm going to measure from there and out about 3 to 3.5 inches.
Nice. All right, cool.
All right, so I'm going to take our tape measure. And go 3.5 inches. Put yourself a mark there. Okay. Then I'm just going to take this, put it here. Oops. I'm a little bit long, but it's okay. But then just do this.
Do you have to be really strong to do that? Because that looks like you're really putting a lot of pressure on
It's, yeah, probably. It's going to be a nice clean cut.
Wow, that is a really good clean cut. Look at that. I
Yeah.
like that. All right, so then we just need to do 3 more.
Three
like
more
that.
of those, yeah.
And we can use this as the template, right?
Yes.
There's that mark.
Okay. Get off camera. And...
And this part, I mean, if we're not exact, because I mean, we're not needing to be perfect, right?
No.
Yeah.
And this, it's off a little bit, but
I'm okay with it being off a little bit, because this isn't gonna make or break anything. Nope. Okay, I did make the mark. I ended up putting the mark inside of this.
try and get it on the mark this time, since this thing wants to move around on me. That's the thing about this, it's going to give you nice clean cuts. Now if you cut this with a hacksaw, you're going to need some sandpaper to get rid of the rough edges.
Oh yeah, you sure would.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, and 1 more to go. Yes. And you know, I like that it's all white, and I don't really feel like I would need to paint this.
No, you don't need to paint it. If you want to, you could.
I mean, you know, I guess if I really wanted to, I could glorify it. But I mean, yeah, really.
There you go.
So I honestly feel like I could do this part, which is simply sticking this in. Do I have to push it to the line inside, or?
Mm-mm. Yep, just push it in until it feels like it's nice seated and firm. Give it a nice little twist. Yep, there you go.
Oh, yeah.
That'll be in there nice and strong.
Wow, and I don't even need any of that PVC glue.
No.
Either, right?
You can glue it if you want to, if you want a more permanent fixture, but if you leave it like this, then you can easily break it down, put it in a nice container, and it'll store neatly, flat, and out of the way when you're not using it.
And that's something that I need, because I've got so many different things, because I am such a versatile crafter.
Mm-hmm.
I have so many things. Look at this. This is, wow.
Yeah.
I feel so
crafty.
well, yeah, I feel crafty anyway, but I feel more crafty. I don't know how to say it. I mean, I feel like I'm a handyman woman.
Okay, handy woman.
Handy woman.
All right, so now all we need to do is cut our upright. So
Ta-da. Okay.
there you go.
So I know that for one of them, I want it to come up to the tallest tumbler that I probably will do.
Mm-hmm.
The tumbler itself, from the top of the tumbler down, is 12 inches.
Okay.
12 inches long. So at least
maybe
one of them that long.
Okay, so let's do 13 inches. That'll give you an extra,
Some
little bit
room,
extra.
Yeah, I just need some room to be able to lift it with my hand up from the bottom and not
touch the outside.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do 13 inches then. That'll give you an extra inch.
I like that.
You want to give this a shot?
Yeah, I do. I do want to try it.
Okay.
And see if I'm able to. Because y'all see how small I am. If I can do this, then I'm going to say anybody can.
All right. There you go.
Oh, you have to click it a few times before it actually gets down.
Yeah. Okay. Now, I'm pushing this forward, so now you can rest this part on the counter and then just push down on the top part.
Oh.
There you go.
Guys, I'm literally on my tippy toes.
Tippy toes.
I'm on my tippy toes, but hey, guess what?
You're getting it done. There you go.
Got it. I got that.
Okay, so that can go here, and
wow, yeah, that's really
There we go.
tall.
Yeah.
That really is tall. I don't think I need the rest of them to be nearly that height.
okay, so then
So let's see how much more we have left and divide that by 3.
okay, pull that down that way. What do
We
you
got 32 and maybe a half. Yeah,
32 and a half.
32
Okay,
and a half.
let's pull out the calculator. I don't feel like doing any math right now.
Who does?
So each one's going to be 10.8 inches long.
Wow, that's pretty tall. All right. That's 10 and a half, and then 1, 2, 3. 10.8.
Okay.
Hey, what did you do to open that
You
up?
gotta pull that down.
Oh, okay, cool.
And it clicks back open.
Okay. Ah.
One more. There you go.
I like it. I like it.
You want me to do the others? Is
Yes.
that too hard? It's kind of
That
rough,
was
isn't
really,
it?
that was really hard.
I know.
It's like right at 22.
22. So we do it at 11
Yeah,
inches.
we can do it at 11.
And this doesn't have to be precise or exact, right?
No.
Because you can be doing any size cup or glass or anything.
Yeah.
So if you're doing plastic cup like this size, it'll hang up there like that, and then you can reach underneath and
That's
pick
plenty of room for that.
it up. Perfect.
Then if I had like a 30-ounce tumbler, I would still have plenty of room too.
All right.
I just can't believe how fast this project just went.
Yeah. There you go.
Boom. Boom.
Nice.
Look at that. One for really long tumblers and shorter ones for glasses, the stemless wine glasses. This is nice. Thank you.
You're welcome. You can do 4 at a time. So
Yes. See, the thing that got me thinking about this is that although I have a tumbler turner, what if I wanted to make more than one at a time? I can actually do where you do a pour over, and it can just stay on here and dry.
Yeah.
Because I've got, you know, that plastic bottom. What is that thing that you gave me? Plexiglass.
Yes, that's true.
Look, see, if it were a recipe, I could tell you what it is.
Go readjust your camera.
Yeah.
Back on us. Why'd you make these crooked? They're straight.
I
then you
sure
made them
did.
crooked.
Because there's nothing about me that can make straight.
I was like, why is she making that crooked?
I don't know why I'm making it crooked. Did you straighten it back out for me? Okay, thank you. Wow, this is cool. I like this.
Yeah. Super easy, super simple. Took less than 10 minutes to make.
Yeah, it really did.
Less than $15 to purchase the parts for.
Wow, this is like the fastest craft I've ever done. And I feel so accomplished right now.
There you go.
And honestly, you know, with it having the words and all of this stuff on it, it doesn't bother me because this is for utility use. It's not to look pretty. Wow. Okay, so here we are, less than $15, probably about $10 to make. 10 minutes to make, $10, 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Boom, you've got something that's going to last. Take it apart, store it away in one of your tubs.
Yep.
Pull it out when you need it. This is perfect. And, you know, carry it wherever you might need to go with it.
And it's sturdy too.
And it's very sturdy.
And we used, what did you say? 1 inch. 1 inch PVC pipe and connector. So the stout is sturdy, Easy to make. Anybody, y'all can do this. It's easy to make.
Wow. So today my things to do was to make a tumbler holder. Make it your thing to do too. Bye.
Bye.
This is awesome. I can't wait to make something.
I know. Now you need to make something.
I know. Now I need to make something.
Now.